I'm going to show you two cool things about infrared remotes. So the first, this is an infrared remote. That means that there is a little light right there, and it's an LED, and it makes light in the infrared. And you, depending on the camera, you can see it sometimes. So the camera detects it even though you can't detect it. So if I come up right here and hold the light right there, and I push this button, not that button, this button, you see how it's turning on? This camera does not have an infrared filter, so this camera can see that. So that's one way you can check and see if your remote actually needs batteries or not. So if that light comes on, you need to find a camera that does it though. The front camera of my iPhone does not show it. It has an infrared filter. Okay, next. This one's really cool. It's one of my favorite demos. This is just a little audio amplifier, and I have a speaker plugged into it. And I have connected that to something that's making noise. I'm gonna hold this up. This is a solar panel. That's all it is, okay? And it's making noise from the screen of the phone. If I cover it up, you know, so it's detecting light. It produces an electrical signal based on the amount of light it gets, and so it's getting stuff from that phone. But now watch this. If I take my remote control, so this infrared light makes a repeating pattern that you can hear, and that's how it tells the TV, turn up the volume, turn down the volume, push this other button. Every button has a different little code that it makes, and you can hear it. Now, if you want, you could take your little device and put it out in the sun. You could put it under fluorescent lights and it'll buzz because those lights turn on and off. So you can like be a little audio explorer. I have here a nice solar panel, but any solar panel will work. And all you need to do is to take, you do need the audio thing, okay? You're gonna need that. And then you need to cut your cable. And this is a stereo cable, so it has 3 wires, and you need to pick 2 of them that plug into the solar panel, but then you can make that work. It's really good. You should do it, and I'll talk to you. Bye.